Hello everyone. And today I am going to discuss about post-abortion care. So before that, I want to tell you what is abortion. What is the introduction and definition of abortion? Okay. So the termination or loss of pregnancy before the age of viability 28 or 24 or 22 weeks, or the baby weight is 500 gram below, then in that case we will call it is a abortion. Okay, so according to WHO, if baby, the pregnancy, the period of pregnancy is 24 weeks, or the weight of the baby is 500 gram, in that case if they lost their baby, of if she got terminated of pregnancy, is called as abortion. But in our environment in India, officially still it is 28 weeks of gestation. Okay, in UK they will say if it is 24 week of gestation, and USA they will say 22 weeks of gestation. See, in different countries they will follow the different policy. That is what the main theme is. If the baby weight is below 500 gram and the gestational week means pregnancy, the period of pregnancy is below 24 or 22 or 28, in that case there is a loss of pregnancy or termination of pregnancy, means we will consider it is a abortion. Okay, but in your syllabus you have post abortion care. Okay, so now I'll explain you about the post abortion care. Means in this case, what are the steps or what the care you have to should give to the mother. See, I have told you about the abortion. What is the definition or introduction of abortion? Now, if certain things happen, in that case, what care we should give to mother? The first one is empathetic and compassionate pre-procedure counseling of women experiencing complication of abortion. What do you mean by that? See, if they lost their baby, okay, obviously everyone will be sad. So the first step is we should give empathetic, emotional support and counseling to the parents. That is the first one. Second one is quality management with MBA. What do you mean by MBA? Manual vacuum aspiration. So what happens sometime after abortion, all the contents of the baby or fetus, it will not come out. They have to go for manual aspiration, means through hand or through some machine, if that is not spontaneous. Okay, in that case they have to give the quality management. Okay, then you have to use antibiotics, okay, to prevent infection or to treat infection. Then post procedure counseling to encourage the use of contraceptive to prevent the repeat abortion. Okay, post procedure counseling means, like, this abortion sometimes it is like spontaneous and sometimes it is intentional, like some, if someone they got unwanted pregnancy, okay, but they don't want to continue with the pregnancy, in that case they'll go for like their choice that they want to go for abortion. Then some case like rape, okay, and some like unmarried woman, if they got pregnant, if in that case, and if the woman have any complication with the pregnancy, in that case it is legal to undergo the abortion. Okay, so what happened after the procedure also, we have to give the counseling. Okay, then effective link of to the family planning. Okay, P means family planning and other RH, that is reproductive health service. Okay, so what happened, like after that also you have to explain them, tell them like they have to maintain family planning procedure. Look, immediately they should not go again for, or they should not try again for the pregnancy. Okay, and then expanded concepts, some more concept they have added in the post abortion care, like training of service provider, especially the doctors, to handle both complicated as well as uncomplicated abortion. Why they have told complicated and uncomplicated? I have told you that some cases it is spontaneous, and but in some cases it is like threatened, like they want to go for abortion. Okay, so in that case they should be trained, the healthcare uh, person should be trained to maintain both the field, complicated as well as uncomplicated. And the provision of MBA kit, that is manual vacuum aspiration kits. What are the things, what are the articles needed for that procedure? There should be availability of that things. So this is about the post abortion care. Thank you.